Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in today's video we will see how to create a task in Bitrix24 or how to assign a task to the other user in Bitrix24. So let's jump through that. So for that you need to open the task and project or task uh, option in Bitrix24. So that option you can find in the left hand side, or you can search directly in a search box also. For the task you can find the search box. So I have already opened the task dashboard, so you can see so creation of a task. So we need to create, click on the create button. You can find the green button over here. Just click on that button for the creation of a task. You can find the task name, description and assignee details. Who can assign the users you need to assign, or you can assign uh, yourself also, like that. So I just write a task support to the users regarding the email issue, and I will assign it myself only, or I should set a deadline by today at 7 p.m. Today's 12, yeah. Okay, with the help of this create button, successfully create the task. With the help of the create button, you can see task has been created, name, deadline, and the created by is me and assignee by is me. Status is pending. Thank you.